We'll hear more from Judge Jim Goodwin once the jury is out of the courtroom there. We'll continue to watch and listen back in at this point.
All right. Ms. Boswell, in count one, the jury of your peers having set your punishment, you'll be sentenced to life imprisonment. In count two, you'll be sentenced to life imprisonment. In count three, you'll be sentenced to life imprisonment. We'll have to set this for sentencing hearing where we'll deal with merger, other issues, as well as sentencing in counts 4 through 20. Does she waive the 45 days, Mr. Scott?
She does.
Sentencing in this case for May the 8th.
Judge, that is not good for me. I have a murder trial at Carter County the very next month.
It's not good.
May the 16th.
I expect the Carter County murder trial. We've got 2 weeks blocked off.
May the 23rd.
Yes, sir, I'll be here.
Sentencing will be held May 23rd. Pre-sentence report needs to be filed no later than April the 15th.
Judge, you have May the 22nd instead of the 23rd.
I do.
We'll use that instead.
We can.
Thank you.
That good with the state?
Yes, Judge.
All right. May 22nd. We'll say at 1:30.
Yes.
At 1:30 p.m. Report by the Department of Corrections be filed no later than April the 15th.
Yes, sir.
All right. Anything else we need to take up?
Nothing else for the state.
Mr. Horn?
Yes, Judge. I think from this point going forward, since Mr. Scott was primary counsel in this case, I would make an oral motion to be relieved as co-counsel on behalf of Megan Boswell going forward.
You'll be relieved. You were appearing as co-counsel pro bono.
Yes, Your Honor.
The court thanks you for your service.
I appreciate the opportunity. Thank you.
All right. The court will be recessed till Tuesday at 8:30 a.m. for the next trial.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, there we see the feed stopping there out of the criminal courtroom there. 3 counts of life, 3 life sentences, basically what the jury is recommending on those first 3 charges for the first-degree murder, felony murder, and second felony murder charge there. That would be life, we would understand, with the possibility of parole.
Yes, she has to serve a full 51 years before she'd be eligible for parole. If you count the 5 years, which we will count the 5 years she has already served, so she would be 69 years of age before she would be eligible to get out of jail. Now, that is the recommendation from the jury. The official sentencing will happen May 22nd at 1:30.
And that has to come from the judge. And then we also have to count the counts 4 through 20, the other charges that she was convicted of this morning as well. There will be sentencing that will come with those. And,
along with fines.
And all of that will come together on that the May 22nd date there. So, but that is the recommendation from the jury, is the life in prison is what they've recommended for Megan Boswell.
So she will be eligible for parole is what we're learning. We will have much more coverage on the Megan Boswell verdict and the sentencing coming up on News 5 and, of course, online and on all our outlets.
All of our digital platforms as well. You have all of our coverage as well throughout this trial. But Megan Boswell found guilty on all 19 charges and today sentenced with 3 life sentences. They're recommended, I should say, by the jury. We'll return you back to regular programming and have complete coverage of this beginning here today at 5 on News 5 and, of course, online as well.
This is a News 5 special report.